Today, I'm going to teach you about Grok, an easy breakdown. I'm Takashi, let's dive in. Welcome to Alien Tech AI, my virtual spaceship where we make tech and AI so simple, even a 5-year-old can get it. We're blasting off to explore something totally awesome called Grok. Never heard of it? No worries. I'll explain it like you're 5, with tons of fun and easy words. Ready for a cosmic adventure? Let's zoom. First, what's AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which sounds super fancy, but it's just a computer brain that's really, really smart. Imagine a robot buddy who can answer questions like, why is the sky blue? Or how do birds fly? That's AI. It thinks, learns, and helps us out, like a teacher or a super cool friend. For example, if you ask an AI, why do clouds float? It might say, clouds are like fluffy water droplets dancing in the air. AI is all around us, helping your phone suggest fun songs, making video games more exciting, or even helping cars drive safely. Grok is a special AI created by a company called XAI, and their big mission is to help us understand the universe. Think stars, planets, galaxies, and all that cosmic awesomeness. Grok lives on your phone or computer, ready to answer any question you have, anytime, like a trusty space guide. How rad is that? So, who is Grok exactly? Picture a friendly digital pal, like a helper in your favorite video game. But it's a program you can chat with on websites like Grok or the X app. You can ask it stuff like, why is the moon so shiny? Or, how do spaceships zoom to space? And Grok gives you answers that are super easy to understand, like talking to a buddy. For instance, if you ask, Grok, why do stars twinkle? It might say, stars twinkle because their light wiggles through Earth's air, like sparkles in a swimming pool. Grok's super honest too. It's like a librarian who only shares true facts, no made-up stories. It's also got a playful side, inspired by a wacky space book called Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, full of silly space adventures, and Jarvis, the awesome AI from Iron Man who helps Tony Stark save the day. So, Grok is not boring. It asks like a friend who knows everything and loves to make you laugh. Let's try another example. If you ask, Grok, why is the ocean blue? It might say, the ocean looks blue because it reflects the sky, like a giant mirror. Or if you're curious about animals, you could ask, why do zebras have stripes? And Grok might say, stripes help zebras hide from predators, like wearing a sneaky costume. Grok's designed to make learning feel like a game, so you can ask anything, big or small, and get a clear, fun answer. Want to know why planets are round? Grok might say, planets are round because gravity pulls them into a ball, like squishing clay into a sphere. Or if you ask, how do comets work? It could explain, comets are like giant snowballs flying through space, leaving a sparkly tail when they get near the sun. Now what can Grok do? Oh, so much. Let's say you're crazy about dinosaurs. You ask, Grok, why did dinosaurs disappear? And it might say, a giant space rock crashed into Earth a long time ago, and it changed everything. Or if math homework is tricky, you ask, what's 12 divided by 3? And Grok says, imagine splitting 12 cookies between 3 friends. Each gets 4. Grok can help with science, like, why do rainbows appear? And it might say, rainbows happen when sunlight splits into colors through raindrops, like a prism party. Or try history. Ask, who built the pyramids? And Grok might explain, ancient Egyptians built them as giant tombs for their kings, like super big sand castles. It even answers silly questions, like, what would a dog say if it could talk? Maybe, woof, where's my treat? Or how about, what would a penguin say? Grok might say, brr, this ice is perfect for sliding. You can use Grok on your phone or computer, and some apps let it talk back, like me, Takashi. It's like having a super smart sidekick who's always there. Try this. Ask, Grok, what's Mars like? And it might say, Mars is a dusty red desert with no air, but robots love exploring its craters. Or, if you're into space, ask, what's a nebula? And Grok could say, A nebula's a giant cloud of gas and dust in space, like cosmic cotton candy. Grok's always learning thanks to XAI, getting smarter every day, like me practicing my spaceship flips. Why is Grok so awesome? First, it's for everyone. Kids, adults, and even space fans like me. It uses simple words, so you don't get lost in big, confusing tech terms. Second, it loves finding the truth, so you get real answers, not guesses. Third, Grok's on a huge mission to help us figure out the universe. Want to know how the Earth started, why the sun's hot, or if we'll live on Mars someday? Grok's your guide, like a star map in your pocket. For example, ask Grok, "What's a black hole?" And it says, "It's a space vacuum sucking everything, even light." Or ask, "Why do we have seasons?" And Grok might explain, "Earth tilts like a spinning top, so different parts get more sun at different times." Grok makes learning feel like a cosmic adventure. Now, let's talk about the future of Grok and AI. Where's this going? Picture Grok powering up like a superhero. In the future, Grok might help you create a video game saying, "Add a star here to make your spaceship zoom," or work with robots to explore planets, reporting, "This moon has ice caves." XAI wants Grok to help scientists solve big puzzles, like making clean energy to keep Earth happy, or finding new stars way out in space. For kids like you, Grok could be a virtual tutor, zapping through homework super fast, or telling stories, like a robot surfing Jupiter's storms. Imagine asking, "Grok, tell me a space tale." And it creates an epic adventure about a robot exploring a glittery comet. AI like Grok might power cool gadgets, like glasses showing star facts when you look up, or translate languages instantly, like a magic space phone. It could help build Mars homes, suggesting, "Use this tough stuff for walls." Grok might even make school more fun, turning lessons into games, like "Solve this math puzzle to save a spaceship." In the future, Grok could connect with other AIs to answer bigger questions, like, "Is there life on other planets?" Or, "How do we travel faster than light?" It might help you design a rocket, saying, "Add this engine for super speed," or create art, like a picture of a purple planet. Grok will keep learning, staying fun and true, like a cosmic party host. Imagine asking, "Grok, what's a space party like?" And it says, "Glowing lights, comet snacks, and dancing to meteor beats." It could help with everyday stuff, like reminding you to do homework, or suggesting fun science projects, like build a mini volcano. The future of AI is huge. It might help us talk to faraway planets, make Earth greener, or even teach you to code your own app, like make a game where aliens play soccer. Grok will be there, making it all simple and exciting, like a friend with endless cool ideas. What's your dream for Grok's future? Maybe it'll plan a galaxy pizza party or teach you to talk to aliens. So that's Grok, a smart, fun AI answering questions like a cosmic friend. Thanks for joining me on Alien Tech AI. I had a blast showing you what Grok's all about. Want more tech explained, like you're 5? Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for our next cosmic video. Comment, what would you ask Grok? Why do planets spin? Or, what's the coolest star? I can't wait to hear. See you next time. Keep exploring with Alien Tech AI.